Hey guys, Nick Miller here from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2020 Kubota RTV1140 side-by-side, four-seater side-by-side utility vehicle. These are a very hard to find unit, especially if they're in nice shape. This is a private one-owner piece. This was not a rental store piece. This was not something that has been beat. This thing is in really nice shape. Again, one owner, 157 hours on it. Power dump, hydraulic power steering. So guys, this is currently in the two-seater position. We're going to convert it here quick to the four-seater position, but what I want to do, I'm going to start it. We're going to dump it for you so you can see that, and then I'm going to convert it. So you can actually see here, power dump. See how nice and clean it is underneath here. We're going to pull this up here to the engine bay. Very clean. Again, one owner unit. Seatbelt buckles are right back down there. Hydraulic goes back down. Now, I'll get it, Braden. All you're going to do is simply going to pull these. We're going to fold this one in. And again, guys, we're converting this right now from a two-seater work machine, and we are converting it currently back so they can see it, Braden. We're going to convert this right now into a four-seater unit. You can see what Braden's doing there. He just folded that over. I'm going to take this one off this side and head to the other side. We're going to take this quick strap off right there. I'm simply going to take this, put him like that. Guys, in a matter of minutes, I just made this a four-seater unit. Very cool. If you're on the ranch, you're on the farm, and you need something where you can carry 4 ranchers or 5 guys real quick, but yet in minutes you need to fold this bed out to carry farm supplies such as feed, fence post, fencing materials, you can do it with this unit. It's going to have the extra heavy-duty IRS suspension, Rhino line bed liner, hydrostatic transmission, 4 independent point suspension. Again, has the roof, the factory Kubota roof, factory Kubota windshield with wiper kit. This does have a AM/FM radio and Bluetooth up in there. I'll show you here in a second. Underneath here in the cooling package, you're going to have your radiator overflow, air filter, clean out screens up here, brake fluid, everything like that. Front grill guard, excellent shape. Never in the salt. Unit does have the worksite tires on it. Braden, I'm going to head over to the other side. Catch me there. So, fully adjustable driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, 157 hours. Now keep in mind on a Kubota, when you start it's going to go to miles, 1,305 miles. Does have front work lights, rear work light, which is up on the back. It does have an MTX audio radio system on it, which is nice shape. Worst part on the whole machine, there's one mark right there on that seat cushion. I want everybody to see that. Guys, we're going to fire it up. We're running around. Show you everything you're supposed to do. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and go to low range first. High range. So these are our workhorse unit. We have had RTVs for years. We have 4 of them here at our facility now. These are a great machine. Biggest thing with this particular unit, if you need to get guys somewhere, especially if you're working on the farm, you need that bed space, but 2 minutes from now, you need to be carrying guys to go over here to wrestle cattle, whatever you need to do with your livestock. These are a lifesaver. Really are. So let's do something here a lot of guys don't do. We spun the tires reverse. Now we're in 4-wheel drive. We'll come out of 4-wheel drive. Head forward. Back in 2-wheel drive. So we are showing you that everything works. We have a wiper motor. Again, we do have an AM/FM radio up there. It does Bluetooth. Tilt steering wheel. And hydraulic power dump. Looking for a nice, clean RTV X1140 4-seat unit. Here's something to take a look at. Very well taken up, one owner piece again, 814-658-3066. Please, as always, check out our website. We take a lot of photos, we take a lot of pride in what we do to offer people very nice, clean, affordable quality equipment. Guys, if you have any questions on this 2020 Kubota RTV X1140 4-seat unit, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.